Okay, I've had enough. This Banksy artwork shredding is garbage. It's a publicity stunt, pure and simple. I'm going to come out on the right end of history on this because that's what it's going to be. It's going to be a setup. There's no way. This painting, you're going to tell me that this painting was 2006. We know that this painting existed in 2006 in that frame. So you're going to convince me that this battery lasted for 12 years, waiting for a wireless signal to trigger it. There's no way. That didn't happen. Second, the gallery inspects every piece of art that comes into that place, and they inspect it pretty good. They're going to tell me they missed a shredder in the artwork case, in the frame. You're going to tell me they missed that. No, they didn't. And the third, my most important point, Banksy no longer owned this artwork. He sold it. And then it was sold again. If he didn't know these people that were buying it, if they weren't in on the deal, if they weren't in on this, that's felony destruction of property. That's prison. I know Banksy is supposed to be some kind of streetwise, don't give a hoot kind of guy, but that is felony destruction of property. He's not going to take that kind of risk. The most off-the-wall one that I've heard so far is that it was a clapper type device that shredded it when the people began clapping, or the gavel. It was the last piece of artwork there, as I understand it. Even if it wasn't the last, it certainly wasn't the first. Other people had clapped. The thing, its gavel had been down. There's no way that. So listen, this is a setup. This was a publicity stunt, and if you believe otherwise, you're just an idiot.